Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Nottingham, so let's begin. Nottingham is a large city station and tram stop on the Midland Main Line. It's owned by Network Rail and managed by East Midlands Railway. It sees services from East Midlands Railway, Cross Country and Northern, and it sees trams from Nottingham Express Transit. Nottingham Express Transit, or NET, is a 20-mile, 32-kilometre long tram system in the heart of Nottingham. There are 50 stations on the line, and the trams are powered by 750 volts DC, but through overheads instead of third rail for obvious reasons. The trams go a max speed of 50 miles an hour, 80 kilometers an hour, and in 2019/2020, the entire tram network was used by 18.7 million people. Back to the train station. On the 12th of January 2018, the station was badly damaged by fire. Doing the research for this episode, I found out that the station has a Costa coffee, which would have been great to know when I went. The new car park has space for 950 cars and is covered in 2,107 coloured metal sheets, making it the best car park I've ever seen. And in 2019/2020, the station was used by 7.865 million people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom, and remember to stay alert.